Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best blenders. So let's get started. Number 7. E310 Explorian Blender. It's a cult fave for a reason. Short of cleaning your kitchen, there's nothing the showpiece Vitamix can't do. With pro-quality precision and control, it can make everything from perfectly smooth nut butters to hearty soups and more. The ultra-powerful motor has 10 variable speed settings, and its heavy-duty base won't easily move on the counter when in use. The controls are intuitive and fuss-free, and this machine excelled in every one of our kitchen appliances lab tests, easily grinding coffee beans and whirling up milkshakes and margs in seconds. It's an investment, but you won't find a better performing, more durable pick at a fraction of the cost of other Vitamix models. Its only limitations are the steep price tag, and the container is on the small side at just 6 cups. Number 6. Fusion Blade Blender. Looking for an all-star high-performance blender without an excessive price? This BLACK+DECKER is the one. It was also among the quieter models we tested, so you won't have to worry about waking roomies, and the AM testers noted it easily powered through tough, fibrous kale for perfectly smooth green smoothies. Thanks to its 6-cup capacity and ability to puree fruit and ice for frozen cocktails, the drink machine is ideal for those who like to entertain. Plus, it's as simple to use as they come, and it earned perfect ease of cleaning scores thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Consumers do complain that it does not have a long lifespan, and our testers noted that the jar showed some slight staining after testing, but it's still a terrific bang for your buck. Number 5. NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z. This well-priced and high-powered blender comes with 3 jars, a 64-ounce pitcher for large batches, and 2 different personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces, with a handle. Both cups have lids that make it easy to take your smoothie to go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies in pre-programmed variable speeds. We blended kale smoothies in all 3 jars. There were no flecks to be tasted. It also blasted through frozen strawberries effortlessly to make a delicious, evenly processed daiquiri. The base is not much larger than previous NutriBullet bases, and it has suction cups on the bottom that reliably prevent it from shifting around. Just remember to unscrew the personal blending cups from the base instead of the cups. It's easy to accidentally make a mess. Number 4. Oster BLSTBlendersPB-WPK. The Oster My Blend blender is our top recommendation for making smoothies or protein shakes to take on the go. Drinks can be blended directly in the sport bottle, meaning no extra dishes to do. Simply fill the jar with ingredients, twist on to blend, replace the blade with the lid, and you're off. This machine is really limited to smoothies and protein shakes, and it doesn't perform well with tough leafy greens. Number 3. Cuisinart CPB380. This is the blender for when you are tight on space but don't want to compromise on performance and options. In our tests, the rotary dial controls to be easy to use for low, high, and pulse, the measurement markings are clear, and the jar is easy to grip and get on and off of the base. It features a 32-ounce jar and 2 16-ounce travel cups with lids, one's a single wall, the other a double wall, perfect for keeping your smoothie cold. It made great margaritas and milkshakes, but our smoothies had flecks of fruit and ice left behind. Keep in mind that getting the blade and off can be a little tricky. To twist on, turn left, and to twist off, turn right. Number 2. Smart Power Duet Blender. This highly popular Cuisinart blender/food processor combo has a low-profile 40-ounce glass jar, which has the benefit of not discoloring, scratching, or absorbing food smells like a plastic jar may. This 500-watt blender is not the most high-powered. It features 7 blending and processing options that are clearly marked and easy to use. We love that it comes with a compact food processor for chopping, stirring, and even shredding. All parts are dishwasher safe. Number 1. A 3500 Ascent series. The Vitamix brand has a strong following, and we were impressed too. This blender performed exceptionally well at grinding coffee beans and blending milkshakes and smoothies. It has a 64-ounce jar, one of the largest we evaluated and perfect for large batches. Best of all, it was both powerful and quiet at the same time. We found the touchscreen controls easy to use, the jar fits on the base nicely, the handle is comfortable to grip, and the lid comes on and off effortlessly. The jar is not dishwasher safe, but the lid, plug, and tamper are. It can also connect to an app on your phone wirelessly. The app provides 17 programs to make smoothies, baby food, and nut butters, and even for grinding, chopping, frothing, and cleaning.